Hey, this is Travis, and I'm here with Dynabrade, Team Dynabrade. We are at the 2022 Air Power Vendor Expo, and this year it's in Pinehurst, North Carolina, beautiful Pinehurst. All right, I got guys with me right here from Dynabrade, so let's introduce.
All right, my name's Ed Shirley. Good to meet you.
Travis Stirewalt, and I have seen you on social media.
Oh my gosh, how have you seen me on social media?
You've been featured like showing stuff like in like on LinkedIn or whatever else. I've seen some of you.
Okay, all right, that sounds like a good thing to
All right,
me.
who is this?
Hi, I'm Scott Nolt.
Scott?
Yep, I'm in Pennsylvania, Maryland, and Northern Virginia for Dynabrade.
Okay. Where are you out of?
I'm out of Southern Virginia, Roanoke, Richmond, Norfolk, and Eastern North Carolina, all the way to the beach.
Okay. You spend a little bit of time there, don't you?
Yeah,
Those
maybe.
sales calls are tough.
Maybe, yeah, they are, especially during the fall.
Yes. All right, and on my right,
Mike Ralston.
Mike Ralston. Where are you based out of?
I'm based out of the Charlotte area. I cover East Tennessee, western half of North Carolina, and South Carolina.
So you work with Eddie Rhodes over there.
I do.
Yes, sir. And you guys have another employee that I know, Don Steed, over in the great state of Mississippi.
Oh, yes.
He's
yes.
a good dude.
Great guy, Southern dialect. You never can miss him when he's walking in the room.
And he's a good friend, and I'm glad
That
for
he
that.
is, and I hope he's going to see this later.
Yes, cool. All right, so I know he will. He's on my Facebook page. He'll see it.
Oh, okay, all right, that's fine.
All right, so you guys have an opportunity to showcase a little bit about what you want to showcase for the show.
All right, let's start down here with our performance assurance kit. What we try to do is, if you think about it, everyone has tools, okay? But also, we're trying to separate ourselves from the competition.
Okay.
So what we do is we present value to the customer, to the end user, okay? One of the ways that we can do that is with this performance assurance kit, we can go in, we can tack our tools or tack their tools, meaning we can make sure they're running at the specified RPM, okay? We can check the airline, make sure they're running at the specified PSI, because if the airline is running, it should be running at 90 PSI, the tool under load, but if it's running slower, let's say if it's running at 45 PSI, what do you think that's doing, Travis?
Nothing good.
No, nothing good, but the worker is actually having to work twice as hard, which is going to cost the end user money.
Well,
okay?
you're looking at a kid here that grew up in a cabinet shop, so
Yes.
you know the whole sanding thing.
Yes.
I get it.
And also, with the performance assurance kit, what we're going to do is we're going to go in and we're going to check the airline, the tool. So we're going to check in the back of the tool, we're going to check in the front of the tool. We're going to make sure the tool has the right lubricant going in the tool, because there's two different types of lubricant, a detergent lubricant and a non-detergent. We want to make sure it's a non-detergent lubricant, okay? Also, air tools are pretty easy, Travis. You got air going in, turning the motor, you got air turning the column, okay? So what do you think happens when that doesn't happen? When you don't have the right amount of air, the tool is slowing down. And this performance assurance kit, this is what is going to help improve it, all right?
And when it's not doing what it needs to do, the operator's pressing harder.
Exactly. What I
causing
call
more wear and
look at
tear,
that.
unnatural wear and tear.
Exactly. This is a normal knuckle, okay? This is white knuckles. This is what I call the white knuckle syndrome.
Yes.
You don't want that at all. Trust me, you don't want that. All right? And we also have this air quality meter or monitor. What we can do, we can walk into a shop, push this little button, and it's either going to light up green, which is going to be a safe atmospheric area, meaning your particulates is not going to be in the air. If it's going to go to turn red or even purple, it means you have dirt in your air. You have particulates in your air, and that's not what you want as far as being at work.
Right.
Because what I like to tell people is you got two ways of filtering that air. You can either get a source capture unit, like a vacuum, like you have right here, or you can become your own source capture unit yourself, and you can filter it, which we don't want that.
Right.
Because what that does, what do you think that does, Travis?
Not good.
Not good. You like that? So what that does is it basically it lowers your lifespan, because all that dirt, all those particulates in the air, is going through your body, and it basically
Like the guys in the powder coating booth.
Oh,
that
yes.
come
Yes.
out with the 2 lines.
Yes. Or like when you go home and you're blowing your nose, and what's on the cloth?
Yellow,
Dirt.
green.
That's right. Dirt. All right.
Hopefully not aluminum on that.
Oh no, that would be a bad thing. So we have a full line of source capture units. We can go to Division 1, Division 2, M-class, non-ferrous materials. Okay. On our vacuums, we can hook up 1 tool, 2 tools, you name it, we can do it.
And is this the intrinsically safe?
This one does not have
But you have-
explosion.
But
Yes.
you have one.
Correct, we do.
Yes.
If you need one that has an explosion-proof motor, we got that.
So, if you're in the powder coating business,
Yes.
if you're vacuuming up, highly dusty, concentrated debris, you have explosion risks. So, with powder coating, for instance, you need to have an intrinsically safe vacuum. Dynabrade has a fantastic intrinsically safe vacuum, and we actually have one in our lab in High Point.
Yes, you do. That is correct. I got with Kevin Avery. We got that in there. You guys can use that, take it out on a demo, let
Yep.
your customers see it, use it, and believe in it. Trust me, it
So-
can do it for you.
So, I got one more question.
Yes, go ahead.
So, you're great behind the camera. So,
Thank you. I
in front
appreciate
of the
it.
camera.
Yeah.
Okay. So, let's get you into the High Point lab,
Let's do it.
and let's
do it, baby.
Let's have a day of demo.
Let's do it.
Call it the Dynabrade Demo Day.
Dynabrade Demo Day.
DDD. Dynabrade Demo Day.
The Triple D.
Triple D Day with Dynabrade.
I like it. Oh, let's
All
go.
right, buddy. Hey, on to the next booth.